Hey, I'm Dwayne Morris, the Urban Soul Chef, and I want you to try my Alabama Jerk Chicken seasoning. It's good. It's really good. You can visit me online at urbansoulchef.com/products and order. And guess what I'm going to do? This is what I'm going to do for you if you place an order there. I'm going to include my marinade, my wet marinade, which is great. It's a secret. It's a secret recipe, but I'm going to include that if you order the jerk seasoning. So place your order and check out these video clips of me in action. Jerk chicken. I used my jerk seasoning blend and I made this into a liquid marinade. Got some good stuff in there. Onions, scallions, peppers, what else? Lime, pineapple, mango. This is very good. No, this isn't Jamaican jerk. This is Alabama jerk. Order you a bottle. urbansoulchef.com/products. All right, I just got it off the grill. This is my Alabama Jerk Chicken. And like I said, it's better. Promise you, I'm not exaggerating. It's better than Jamaican Jerk Chicken. No comparison, actually. I've tried Jamaican Jerk Chicken from New York, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and even the Bahamas, cooked by Jamaicans. And this right here is not even to be compared to what I've tasted. This has sweet, aromatic, nice salty taste, fruity. What else? It's several different flavors going on in here. You can taste a little mango, a little pineapple, but it's really good. And this is with my marinade that I created. But what I do is I season it with my personal blend, Alabama Jerk seasoning mix, and then I come back and create a wet marinade and throw it on the grill. After it's almost finished cooking, I go back, dip it in the marinade again, put it back on the grill, and this is what you get. And this is cooked with, let me see, what is that wood? Cherry wood. So therefore it has a cherry aromatic smoke taste to it as well. So this is really good. And what you need to do, this is what you need to do. You need to go to my website, urbansoulchef.com/products. Get you a bottle. Get you a bottle. Can you taste it? All right. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good night, good morning, good day.